Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to upgrade on Swiss Airlines. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Swiss account, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, how can you create an account in Swiss? The first thing to do is to launch in a browser of your choice. After launching a browser of your choice, go ahead and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type swiss.com, and that's going to take you into the official website for Swiss Airlines. Once you get into the official website, check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the login/registration box and click on that and follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account. Now, after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Swiss. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to upgrade on Swiss Airlines. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have book and prepare, and you have my booking, you have discover Swiss. Go ahead and click on my booking and it takes you over here. We have two categories which include manage, extra services. So head over to the extra services tab and you have book additional baggage, check-in baggage from home, you have book upgrade, you have pre-order meals, you have book hotel, and you have book rental car. So go ahead and click on book upgrade. Here are a couple of things for you to read to prepare your mind in order to book an upgrade. Greater comfort on board, exclusive meals, and quickest embarkation. It's never been easier. Simply take your pick among the different Swiss upgrade options and you will enjoy the benefits of Swiss Premium Economy, Business, or First. You have the beat upgrade, you have upgrade for a fixed price, and you have upgrade in online check-in, which is where we can move to. Of course, you can use the Miles and More upgrade if you have a Miles and More account. So let's head over to upgrade in online checking and click on that first to know more about that. Okay, so this is it. So these are all the conditions that you need to meet for you to, of course, upgrade via checking in online. Now, how do you check in online for you to upgrade? From the top right corner again, where we went to, head over to click on my booking. Now head over to manage, and under manage you have the check-in option. Now click on checking and scroll the way down. If you have a booking already, you're going to see the option for you to just quickly check in. If you now check-in/booking, enter your booking reference, which is here, or ticket number. Now your booking reference or your ticket number can be found in your confirmation mail sent via email. So go ahead and click on that in case you don't have it handy. And over here, enter your last name that you used in registering or you used in booking. So after entering your booking reference or ticket number, go ahead and enter your last name and click on find bookings. And once you click on that, just follow through with the on-screen prompts for you to check in. Now during your check-in, you're going to see an option for you to upgrade. Follow through with the process and upgrade from there. Know that upgrade, of course, it costs additional fee. So go ahead and use that for your enjoyment. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.